Hello everybody, we're at the dog catcher in Tucson. We're looking at trying to get a Boston Terrier. It was here a couple days ago. So they just said she's still here, so we'll check it out and see if we can find her, okay?
So she's still in the tent. Oh, okay. So just let the staff member that's back there, the wearing a gray shirt, know that you're interested in adopting her, and then have to fill out a paperwork. Bring it back up here and you'll be all set. All right, thank you. See, look, baby. There's the donation box. Next time we come up, we can leave something.
Oh, okay. You can hear the dogs barking right now.
They haven't moved her to this side yet, so this is her cage number.
So we get in there and say, "Come here, Dee. Come here."
That lady said you can't get that dog because you have a cowboy shirt. You have a Bronco shirt on.
Oh, really?
Is this one better? I said she's a Cowboys fan. She goes, no, that's not any better. She was a what fan, Sarah?
She was she just said that she was a hater. And then
She's a cowboy hater?
A hater is usually a raider, huh?
Oh, probably, yeah. I wouldn't doubt it.
No, a hater is the Broncos. Because the Broncos say
You can hear these dogs barking, man. There's a whole bunch of them in there.
Oh, but that's who did.
So here we go. Walk up the little walkway here.
And Cole Beasley.
There's a guy standing right here. I don't know who he is.
Leave her alone. Oh, good shot. They're overly excited about a dog.
Okay, here we go. We're gonna go in here. We're gonna shut it off for a minute. Okay, we're walking in.
Find somebody with three.
She's not in the same place anymore. Right there. Hey, buddy. Oh yeah. Hey guys. What's up? We used to have a Boston Terrier and he died. He was one of the best dogs we had.
He's not available
Hey, let's go over here. I'm gonna see if he's over here. They don't know what they're talking about. What was he at? This one? I think he was right down here. I don't know where they're at. Hey, buddy. What you doing? Hi. How are you? Hey, what's up? How you doing? Huh? How are you? Hi. Pretty dog. These poor little dogs that just want to get adopted. Might not be in the same cage. Oh.
This one. Hey, Woody.
Hey, oh yeah, I remember that. Okay, hold on. Did you get picked up by the law? Huh? What'd you do? Jaywalk? There's another healer right there. That's a pretty one. Hey, buddy. Hi. Hi. That's a real dark. Oh, look. Hi, puppy. Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing? Alright, I'm gonna go outside. They said something about the dog might be sick. I don't know. So, I'm gonna go outside. There's some more little dogs inside. We just came to look. Look at that little guy over there. He's got a little vest on. Hey, buddy.
Science project. Science project ideas.
Hey, guys. You're tripling in here,
That's the
huh?
one with the really pretty eyes we saw.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
like a Spuds McKenzie.
He's got the Grinch, or no, what is it? Yeah, the Grinch. This one passed out. Oh, he's out. He don't care about nothing. Look at that little.
This one.
Oh, they're puppies?
Yeah, he's a Chihuahua and he's a mix. He's a mix. He's super cute.
Hey, pup. Oh, yeah, you smell that shit, huh?
Mama.
No puppies. They chew everything up.
Well, that's a pretty dog right there. Look at that. Hi, how are you doing, Whitey? Huh, Whitey McGillicuddy? What are you doing?
His name is Welly.
Oh, is it Welly?
Yeah, right
Hey, Welly McGillicuddy.
You do not house.
Oh, look at this one. Look at the pink sweater looking over here. Hi, how are you? How are you doing? Huh? You getting mad?
She's not into socializing.
Look at that one. I like that little sweater.
Oh yeah. She's got eyebrows.
there. Fandango.
Look at the way she's looking.
Like, call
Oh,
her
this one looks a little
Fandango.
happy.
Oh, here we go. Look. Look at this little tiny one. It's a little girl, 9 years old. Oh, look, babe. 9 years old. She's 9.
Mac?
Oh, she's cute.
Yeah?
Aww. Yes, she is. And she's big because she's only 5.
Yeah, that was probably a surrender deal. Oh, look at this one. This one's pretty. Hi. How are you doing? Huh? Gets along great with other dogs. Just when eating, huh? When you eat, you don't like other dogs? This one's all furry. This looks like, what's that dog's name that used to be at your dad's house?
Oh, Princess.
Princess, yeah. That one looks like Princess. Name's Stumpy. There it is right there. Hello, Stumpy. Hi, Stumpster. Oh, he gets soft food.
Mama, look at Dusty.
11 years, yeah.
Princess was 16.
Oh.
Or close to.
Yeah, that's pretty. Why do we get back into this way? Again?
Look at
Okay, we're gonna-
Dusty.
Oh, cone of shame. Did you get in trouble? Huh? You got the cone of shame. What'd you do? Did you call somebody a name?
What you be doing?
I think you called somebody a name. I don't know. But you got the cone of shame. Hi, buddy. Hi. What do you want to see? Cats or those other dogs like we did last time?
I want to see the other dog.
I don't know. Oh, right here.
Then somebody watched her there.
Right here.
Oh, quarantine. Don't go in there.
Oh, no. We went in there last time. I think you can go in there, but they keep them in there.
Let's go outside.
Oh, look at that smile on that one.
Hey, adoptable dogs on this boat.
Love the dogs. Yeah, we can go in here. All right, we're gonna check some of these out. You guys have a good one. Talk to you later, man. If I see something cool, I'll show you.